Let's talk about the most complex, most incredible machine you will ever operate in your entire life. And the thing is, you're living inside of it right now. It's your own body. You're in it 24/7, but how much do you really know about what's going on behind the scenes?
So, I want to start with a question for you, a pretty direct one. Are you really in control of your body? I mean, you probably think you are, right? But just how much of its day to day, moment to moment operation do you actually manage? Think about it like this. On one side, you've got all the things you consciously do, walking, talking, deciding what to think about. But on the other side, whoa, there is this massive silent operation running nonstop. Your heart beating, your food digesting, your cells repairing themselves, fighting off germs. All of this stuff just happens. The sheer scale of that background work is absolutely mind-boggling.
Okay, so let's take a little tour, shall we? And we're going to start in the engine room. This is the power plant of your body. And guess what? It never, ever shuts down. This is where those relentless, automatic rhythms of life just keep on going.
Let's just start with a number, 100,000. That's about how many times your heart beats, every single day. You don't have to think about it, you don't have to schedule a reminder. It just keeps pumping, powering your entire system without you giving it a single thought.
And it doesn't stop there. How about breathing? You take around 20,000 breaths a day. Yeah, sure, you can hold your breath for a little while, but the second you stop concentrating on it, boom, your body's autopilot kicks right back in, making sure every last cell gets the oxygen it needs to survive.
So you see, your heart and your lungs are this incredible dynamic duo. They are the core of your body's engine, and they work in perfect, beautiful sync. This constant, unspoken partnership, well, that's the rhythm of life itself, powering you through every single moment.
All right, we've seen the engine room. Now let's go check out the security detail. I'm talking about your personal built-in defense force. And this isn't just one thing. It's this whole multi-layered network that is always, always on guard.
Just look at the incredible teamwork going on here. Your immune system is waging war against millions of microscopic invaders every day. Your eyes, they blink about 20 times a minute just to stay clean and moist. Those little hairs in your nose and ears, they're your frontline filters for dust. And meanwhile, your liver is detoxing your system and your sweat is making sure your body temperature is just right. It is a full-blown team effort, all happening for you, without you.
And let's just zoom in on that immune system for a second. It's like having a silent, microscopic army inside you, constantly patrolling, identifying threats like bacteria and viruses, and it just neutralizes them before they can ever cause real trouble. Most of the time, you don't even have a clue that a battle was just fought and won on your behalf.
Okay, so the engine's humming, the defenses are up. But who takes care of all the upkeep? Well, that would be the 24/7 maintenance crew. These are the systems that handle all the background repairs to keep you running in tip-top shape. You know, the work never stops, not even when you do. While you're fast asleep, your body is one of the busiest places on the planet. It's digesting food, pulling out nutrients, and your cells are busy repairing damage from the day. It's this constant, amazing cycle of renewal, all happening on autopilot. But what about an emergency, like a real split-second danger? That is when your reflexes kick into high gear. A reflex is basically an involuntary, almost instantaneous movement. It's your body's built-in emergency override switch. Now, this is where it gets really wild. Imagine you accidentally touch a hot stove. Before your brain even has a chance to go, hey, that's hot, your nerves have already sent a lightning-fast signal straight to your spinal cord. Your spine acts like a field commander and immediately shouts an order to your muscles to pull your hand away. The ouch message, the feeling of pain, that only gets to your brain after you're already safe. Your body literally protects you faster than you can think. How cool is that? So, when you start to put all these pieces together, the engine, the defense force, the maintenance crew, you start to get a sense of the incredible autonomous genius that is at work inside of you every single second of every single day. You know, the philosopher Wittgenstein once said, the human body is the best picture of the human soul. And when you think about it, it's so true. This ridiculously complex, self-running machine isn't some separate thing you're driving around. It is the physical expression of who you are. All of this unbelievable, unseen work is what allows you to be you. So if there's one thing to take away from all this, it's this.
You are living inside a masterpiece of biological engineering. Seriously, from the steady rhythm of your heartbeat to the absolute miracle of a single cell dividing, you are both the pilot and the passenger in this brilliant, self-regulating machine.
And that really just leaves us with one final thought. We've barely even scratched the surface of this amazing unseen world inside of us. So what other marvels is your body performing for you, right now, without you even having the slightest idea? It really makes you wonder, doesn't it?